I'm thrilled to have you join me. My name is Ms Carla and together we're going to dive into the magical world of nature sensory bottles. Here's one that I made before. Nature sensory bottles, also known as calming bottles, are miniaturized worlds filled with treasures from nature and the great outdoors. Get ready for an exciting journey of exploration and discovery. But before we begin, let's have a look. We have everything we need to make our calming nature sensory bottles. It's really simple. All you need to do is go for an adventure walk and go collect some different nature pieces. So I'll tell you what I have here. It's the season of autumn and I found these beautiful brown coloured leaves. So that's what I have there. I also found some cute little bud cones or mini pine cones. I found some beautiful different shaped leaves. Some pebbles. And these cute little purple flowers. So that's what nature items I'm using. And then for the bottles, it's simply just an empty plastic bottle. You can use any shape or size that you like. And you need some water. So I've just got a watering jug here to pour in the water. It's that simple. So now that we have all our items ready, it's time to start creating our calming nature sensory bottles. Let's jump right in. So this is what you need to do. First things first is practice a bit of mindfulness. We're using nature items and that is nature's beauty items here. And I love to take a deep breath in. And I want you to do it too. So big deep breath. And breathe out. Awesome. That's a great way to start. So what you need to do is grab your plastic bottle, take the lid off, and what you're going to do is you're going to put all the different pieces in there. And through this experience, you can count, you can take a deep breath as you work along. There's no right or wrong way. We're working with nature. Really embrace nature's beauty. So I'm just going to put all the different pieces in and then I'm going to add in some water. Okay, so I'm going to put these cute little bud cones in and enjoy that popping sound. So you can put as many or as little as you like. I'm going to put all of them in. So there you go. I'm going to put the little stones in now. Maybe just about there. I'm going to put one of these beautiful brown leaves and it might bend a bit because it is autumn season and they do tend to go a bit crunchy and bendy. It doesn't matter. It's going to go straight in there and we're going to pour that water and enjoy the beautiful natural beauty shape of this leaf. So in it goes there. There you go. It's so beautiful. And next I'll pop some of these leaves in. Oh, they're so nice. And as we put the water in, I wonder what will happen throughout time. So you might keep this in your room or in your classroom. And I wonder what happens to these green ones. Will they change to brown? Who knows? That's the whole nature of beauty. Okay, so that's the leaves. It's a little bit stuck, but when we add the water, we'll see what happens. Now I'm going to add in some beautiful, cute little purple flowers. I might even see if I can take some off. Yep, I think so. Sprinkle some in there. Sprinkle, sprinkle. And I'm even going to pop that in there. Why not? And this one here, I'm going to pop it straight like that. All right. And I even got these beautiful little stems, so that's going to go in there as well. Just to complete the whole look. Now I don't want to put too many items in there because I'm going to put in that water in shortly. And let's see what happens. Okay, so I do have a jug so it's easy to pour out of the spouts. I'm going to hold the bottle tightly and I'm just going to slowly pour some water in. It's just so calming, that sound of the water. So I hope you'll Taking nice deep breaths in, practicing some mindfulness and gratitude as you're making this. Here we go. So calming already. I can see those little purple flowers just on the top there. Looks amazing. And then I'm just going to secure the lid on really tight. And there you are. Wow, it's just so pretty. There's even some little bubbles appearing. And I might just give it a shake and see what happens. Just upside down, just slowly, slowly. Oh, they're stuck on the bottom there. Ah, there they are, they're moving now. Look at that. So all those leaves that were getting stuck around that big, giant brown one, they seem to be going down now. Oh, wow. So it's amazing. At first I had no water. As I put the stones in, it made a different sound. And now I've added that water and it's changed the sound completely. Yeah, it's just amazing. There you go. So practicing a bit of mindfulness through this activity and just enjoying all the nature beauties there. So as you observe your calming nature bottle today, just take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the nature and the wonder it holds. So this bottle has everything in there, capturing nature's essence. And it's a great time with the autumn colours there. It's so beautiful. So it's something you can make and practice your gratitude and mindfulness and just really appreciate the activity. So very, very simple. Go on your nature walk, get your items, an empty bottle and some water, and you can make a beautiful nature sensory bottle just like I did. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep connecting with the magic of the natural world. Thanks for tuning in today, boys and girls. Bye for now.